Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. After a long season of weddings and such a long summer, I'm back here with a new video. You will be cleaning up with me this whole situation. Honestly, I have been out all the time and I couldn't be at home to clean anything. So just to let you know, by the way, this is the kitchen, and just for the dishes, I never let them stuck there. I always do the dishes, so that's why there's not much. It's just from dinner last night, but most of the time I will be doing them. You know me, I cannot change that. So here you can see I'm doing all the dishes from the soup from last night, since it's starting to get cold and we are going into fall season, so that's why. So just to let you know, guys, I have been organizing my best friends and my sister wedding this summer. That's why I couldn't post much on YouTube. And by the way, if you want to see those vlogs, I will be posting them soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so here I'm finishing all the dishes. I'm putting them back on their place and cleaning up this situation right here because I couldn't deal with it anymore. If you want to be following me all the time and seeing what I'm posting and what I'm doing, you can do it on Instagram. I post there all the time, so you can follow me there, and I will try to post more now that I'm back. Now that I'm done with the kitchen, with all the dishes, sorry, now I'm going to go to the other part of the kitchen, so I'll be drying up all the dishes and putting them back on their place as soon as I finish this. I am drying all the dishes. We have a small kitchen, so I try to always organize stuff and put it back on its place as soon as I can, because if not it will look like all dirty and all messy, and I hate that because it's an open kitchen and you can see everything from the sitting area. So that's why I try to put back stuff as soon as I finish, and that's what I'm doing right here. So after doing all of this, I'm gonna clean this thing. I don't know how you call it in English, let me know in the comments. I will be cleaning it and put it back on its place as well. And now I will take that corner that I never touch because it doesn't show. By the way, I washed the lid right here because it was annoying me, and I put the rice cooker back on its place, cleaning everything here, the microwave, putting everything back on its place. Actually, it was clean because as soon as I clean it back. I don't like when it gets dirty or smelly. And putting all the stuff back on its place. Feels so good. Now this is the cooking area that gets dirty all the time, and even like that you can see it's kind of clean because as soon as I cook I clean it. I don't know about the way you cook, but for us the Moroccan kind of food, it's always makes everything get dirty and messy, and you have oil everywhere, and you can see everything is white and gray and black, and it annoys me to be like that. So as soon as I finish cooking, I clean right away, so it will look kind of clean, I would say. Of course, we have all kind of spices right here, so I'm cleaning them as well because, you know, all the oil that will get to them, you cannot control that, so I'm cleaning them as well and putting them back on their place. Sorry. So as you can see here, and by the way, I have more spices than that. I just put the most important ones there, and the other ones I have them just down the corner. Let me know if it's the same for you guys. How many spices you have? Let me know on the comment section down below. Once I finished that, I went to the oven. I had to clean the oven. Actually, I did clean it like not too much time ago, but still I use it all the time. I try to cook with the oven as much as I can because I find it like healthier. I don't put that much oil and it's better. Here I finished it and I went with the fridge. That, as you can see, it's kind of empty because I didn't do anything. I didn't buy anything. I wanted to clean all the apartment, sorry, before I go do any kind of shopping because I couldn't do the shopping and nothing is clean, you know what I mean. So right here I'm putting everything back on its place, cleaning at the same time, organizing all the stuff. And once that's done, I go to the famous table that will stock every single thing in the house. I have everything there. I told you I didn't have time to do anything, so I'm putting everything back to its place. Like, that's what I used to edit, and that's why I left it there. Clean that table. I'm gonna clean the chairs and put them on top of the table so I will have enough space to clean the floor. I always do that, as you can see. So I'm doing it here, and the last chair I'm using it to film, that's why. So here I'm putting all the towels that you will see me take later on from the bathroom. I'm putting them to wash right here on the washing machine, so they will be washing at the same time that I am doing all the cleaning here. So I left them there and finished with the kitchen right here. The floor, it annoys me, the floor on the kitchen. It always gets so dirty. Even if I just clean the floor, as soon as I cook, it gets so dirty. So, and of course my hair is everywhere. You will see that on this video I have my hair everywhere. It's so crazy. And of course I forgot the counters on top, so I had to clean them. I remembered I saw some spiders on top and I was like, it's time to clean this. So I just went on top of the kitchen. Yes, I'm on top of the counter of the kitchen, and I cleaned all of it, and it felt so good to see everything clean. Like, it made me feel like a new person. Even if I can never say it because it's on the top of the kitchen, but still I felt way better. And after that I put everything back to its place. I took the other chair, of course I had to put it back, and that's it. This is the final result for the kitchen. This is the first thing to do, always the kitchen. I have to do it first. It makes me feel so good. Like, I feel like almost everything is done when I'm done with the kitchen. Now I will go with the sitting room. It's not that messy. I have put all the covers for the sofa on the washing machine the week before, so they will get dry by the time I need them. As you can see right now, I'm starting with the carpet. I'm vacuuming all the carpet, and it feels so good. As you can see, everything you can see here, it was on the carpet. Yes, I know, it's disgusting. Then I went on the back of the sofa, and as you can see as well, it was as disgusting as the carpet. I'm sorry, it was such a long time I didn't clean anything, to be honest. I was traveling and I was out, so yeah. And look, this feels so good. I love this vacuum cleaner, it's amazing. And then I do the floor. I mop all the floor, and I love smelling this. It makes the floor look amazing, and it smells so good. It cleans it very, very well. So as soon as I'm done with that and it gets dry, I'm gonna put all the stuff, all the fabrics back to the sofa. Since I have cleaned everything, I washed everything, so I'm putting them back. Feels like a new sofa as soon as I do that. And once it's done, I'm gonna put it back on its place. Yes, look at that, amazing. Then of course the pillows back on their place, and then I'm doing all the TV section. I have to clean it as well and make sure everything is back on its place. And now putting the chair back, and I'm gonna do the entrance as well. This gets dirty all the time because like we try to control and not like inside with our shoes, but it sometimes like we are so busy and we go so fast and we don't like think about it, which is annoying, but that's life, you know. We're busy. And here the same is the desk. I mean, since I cannot control myself, I clean it all the time, but still I'm cleaning it as well here and organizing a little bit, putting the laptop back and the stuff back, and vacuum as well. And of course I will do all the floor. I'm gonna mop all the floor and vacuum all the floor. Sorry, vacuum and mop all the floor as well. And it was kind of sunny. It was not that hot, you know, it's not summer anymore, but still feels good to have a little bit of sun, even if I'm not ready to let the summer go. But what to do? We have to deal with winter, I guess. And you guys, this is the final result. Look at that. Oh my god. It felt amazing. It's wonderful to see everything clean, and like I don't want anyone to come inside. I don't want to move when it's this clean. And then we will go to the bedroom area. I had to change all the sheets. Actually, if there's something I change all the time is the sheets, because I've got some acne from the stress, and you know, so I cannot deal with dirty sheets. I change them all the time. So they were not that dirty, but still I wanted to change them. I'm putting on white sheets as always. I love white sheets, even if they are so difficult to take care of, but still I love them. So that's what I'm doing right here. Changing all the sheets, putting white ones. Like I feel like I'm on a hotel and they take care of me when I have white sheets. Let me know if it's the same for you guys. I'm trying to give it like a good look, and then I do the floor as well. And yeah, the bedroom, it was not such a big deal, to be honest. It was easy to do. Try to take care of it all the time, and it's kind of minimalistic. Now I'm taking all the things I have been putting on the bathroom. Like that was a disaster. Those were the towels that I told you I put on the washing machine before. And of course I forgot to put my retainers, so I washed my teeth and I put back my retainers as well for my teeth. Wash them and of course put them. And then I continue with all the bathroom cleaning up, remove the perfumes, clean the mirror as well, and then cleaning everything and putting everything back to its place as usual. I didn't refill anything because I told you I didn't do any shopping, so I have to buy everything and I didn't have time. I will do that later on. Now I will go with the trash. I removed it. And by the way, we broke the seating, I don't know how you call it in English, this one, but we broke it, and we didn't have time to change it. I told you, it's such a hectic time these days, but still we're dealing with this one, and of course I have to clean it before I change it, so I'm cleaning it anyways until we have time to go and buy some stuff. I don't know. So right here, that's what I'm doing, making sure everything is clean. And now I'm gonna do the same with everything on the floor. I'm removing all the carpets so I can do the floor as well. And by the way, I changed the curtain as well because I couldn't keep it on the bathroom. I had to wash the other one, so I changed with this one. And there was a part I recorded for the shower place, but I don't know why I didn't record. Then I put the towels, and then I do all the floor. So as you can see, I'm vacuuming, and then I'm gonna mop as well. I mopped 2 times, by the way. And that's it, you guys. Oh my god, I'm done. Even the window knows that I'm done. Now, of course, I have to remove all the dirty stuff from the vacuum cleaner because it got everything. Look at that. Look at my hair. I don't know how it's not stuck there. And then I put it back to charge because more of it, it took all on itself. I put it back to charge right here on the wall. And I'm gonna go put the towels to dry as well outside. They're all white and clean. And I am done. Oh my god, I finished, you guys. This was the before. I'm gonna be showing you, and this the after, and I'll be showing you for every single part of the apartment. I hope you like this video and it gave you motivation to do the same. It doesn't matter how you feel, go ahead, you can do it, and it will make you feel way better. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.